We're on it.
All right. Well, here we go. We are headed out on an adventure, and this is our Airbnb adventure bag that we bring with us. It is an essential kit for surviving any Airbnb situation, and let me tell you, I've been in some doozies.
Yes.
All right, so first thing I always have with me is pepper grinder, salt grinder, regular salt, and then some other seasoning here. The paper plate, some paper bags. I bring my own cutting board. Okay, I also bring my own sharp knife because you can't count on them having a sharp knife for you. And this is a nice kind of all-around cheese knife, whatever. And then in this lovely packet of stuff, we have forks, spoons, bottle openers, bar implements, and I always bring silverware because we stayed one time at a place for 8 people and it had 2 forks, 1 dessert, 1 salad. So roll this up so it just stays in nice and neat and tucks down in. All right. Bring your own foil because you never know what the sheet pan situation is. Okay. Sandwich size bags for packing up leftovers. Okay. We have little drink cups for little drinks. All right. Let's see. A to-go coffee maker and filters because you never know what the coffee situation is, and if you're like me, you're going to need a cup of coffee. All right. And then to-go cups. So Sunday morning when you're leaving, you don't have more mugs to wash. You just make your coffee in one of those. And then I always bring an extra roll of paper towels. They always come in handy. And it all fits in this nice box, just like that. We're ready to go on an adventure.
We're out.